I think I'm gonna be falling asleep while doing this because it just feels so good. So I got this from TikTok shop. If you're interested, link down below. It's super relaxing, especially if you work hard every day, all day. You're gonna need this one. It's like someone is massaging your back, but you don't need anyone to do that because you only need this one to do it for you. This is not expensive. It's very affordable. So get yours now. Oh my goodness. And you don't need someone to hold it for you. There's a strap so you can hold on into this. It's just so freaking cool. Thanks, Daily Life. Look what I got today. Isa sa mahalagang importanteng natanggap ko today is ito. Alam nyo ba kung bakit? B, kailangan natin to dahil palaging masakit ang aking likuran. Not only me, especially my husband. Kasi syempre, maghapon siya, computer, ganoon sa work. B, kailangan mamassage ang likod, B, dahil yan ang very important. At isa nga yan sa lagi kong iniinda, yung likuran ko. Thank you Lord talaga, kasi meron tayo nito ngayon. So let's go at buksan na natin. So ito ay back and neck massage. Super excited na magamit to, babe. May ganito din si Maring Diana. At syempre, tinanay ko yun mga ka-sister. At masasabi mo talagang ang ganda niya sa feeling. Kaya sabi ko, I need to have this. Hello? OMG. It's a neck and back massage. Paano ba ito gamitin? So, ilalagay mo lang ito. Ilalagay mo lang ito dyan. Ganyan. Tapos, i-on mo lang ito mga ka-sister. I-on mo lang. Tapos yan na, imamassage ka na niya. Sarap sa feeling. Super. Feels so good.